Hey guys, so if you're having a problem logging into Fortnite or any game for that matter and you're on Xbox, well, there's a problem going on and hopefully they fix it with the latest update. But you might be stuck here at checking for updates or you might just not log in. So even after this, it might give you an error or anything like that. You might just go back to this message. Regardless, whatever it is, all you need to do is just clear your MAC address and then it should work. If it doesn't work after that, then there's a ton of other stuff that you can do. However, for most of you, that will work. So first of all, what we have to do is close Fortnite. So fully close it. So quit it. Then we're going to go into your settings. In your settings, we're going to go into general, then network settings. Under network settings, we just have to go into advanced settings. Then all we have to do is use alternate MAC address. From there, just clear it. Your Xbox will restart. And then finally, you're going to be able to log into Fortnite or any other game for that matter, because right now you shouldn't be able to log into any. Alright, so right now we're just restarting our Xbox. We're just going to wait for everything to connect like it should. And then we're just going to try to log into Fortnite. So again, it should be fully closed for you to do this as well. And sometimes just closing Fortnite and just restarting your console fixes the problem as well. However, right now, the latest fix would be this. So let's just log into Fortnite. So right now, everything should be loading just as normal. It's actually a good thing that we're getting this connecting thing. And then we're just going to sign in. And then from here, we should see things moving fast. That means it's going to work. If it gets stuck at certain points, that means it's not going to work and you might have to do something else. However, right now I can verify you that it worked. So here we go. That's it. Anyways, if you like that video, make sure to drop a like. If you have any comments, questions, you can leave them right here in the comments area.